Hello, everybody. Scott Golden here with the Golden Opportunities Coaching YouTube channel. Welcome to those of you who are new. Welcome back to those of you seasoned veterans of what we do around here. What we do around here is bring about conversations of a psychological, mental health, emotional health paradigm. We try to do that as often as we can, usually several times per week. We try and connect with folks to give them the best chance of getting the life they want out of the experiences that they desire to have. And so hopefully this is something that is meaningful to you. Would love to be of assistance to you if you're looking to improve your confidence in a dating world, improve your confidence in your daily life. And so, what are some things that make you more attractive and more confident overall? That's what we're going to look at today. So, would love to be of assistance to you in that way. Please feel free to reach out at PO Perception on Twitter and or in the About Me section of this YouTube page. The first is mindset. And I'm not going to be the person who sits there and says be positive all the time. Look, there are things in life that are negative. There are things in life that are frustrating. There are things in life that do become overwhelming or frustrating or unhealthy, and they don't really work the way we want them to work. They frustrate us. They lead us in directions we don't want to go. But we have a decision to make about how quickly and how appropriately that they are, able to kind of look at things and find a way to be neutral first and then go positive when you can find a positive thing about that process. And so the next is make contact with people consistently. People want to know they're important and significant. And so the more you endeavor to make a person feel significant, the more you endeavor to make a person feel like they matter, the more value you're going to have as a person. And you begin to understand the way that things go in a more meaningful manner. And again, there's challenges there. You've got to begin to understand the value in doing all of that. And when you know how to do that, when you get to a place where you do understand how to portray your value appropriately, you're going to get to a better place. And so trying to avoid being a person who doesn't take initiative with people can be important. Self-care. A person is going to find you more attractive if they believe you take care of yourself. And this could be how you look. This could be the clothes you wear. This could be that you're well rested. If you're always talking about being tired, they're going to eventually wonder about you. If you're always talking about being stressed, they're going to wonder about you. So taking good care of your physical, mental, and emotional health at all times will make you more attractive over a period of time. And so I'll blend the next two together, which is open-mindedness and overcoming conflict. So open-mindedness is just about being able to see all sides of a situation or most sides of a situation. It doesn't mean you have to agree, but being able to communicate, converse, and kind of connect with a person based on seeing value in their freedom to have a perception and or in their perception is super valuable. So that can look like a bunch of things. It can look like how you react to an individual, how you can kind of connect with them. It also looks at, overcoming conflict appropriately. So either whether that's agreeing to disagree, whether that's speaking your mindset out in a non-confrontational, non-aggressive manner, whether that's choosing to walk away from, meaningful manners. All of these are things that can lead you in a positive direction if you're smart about it. But learning how to do that can be super challenging if you don't know how to do it and or you don't know how to kind of make decisions in a meaningful, masterful, and long-term fashion. So understanding the need to do that and the methods for doing that can be super valuable and also be, useful, impactful, beneficial, and all points in between. So hopefully that's helpful, and hopefully that leads you in a direction that is beneficial. So keep your feet on the ground, your mind in the moment. Until next time, everybody.